I believe the next tactic that you mentioned, Randy, was SID History Injection. So if we look here, we can see that George, by the way, someone injected some SID history on his account. So let's go look for George in the environment. So here, again, critical alert. Why is this critical? Well, if we look at the SID history that was injected on George's account, does this look familiar, Randy? That is RID 500. That is the built-in administrator account SID on George's account. So obviously, if George has that SID history, if he logs in now, guess what? He has that as part of that security token. Again, thanks for the setup, Randy, because you talked about that. So now it's part of the security token. So now I am basically a shadow admin in your environment as RID 500. Well, RID 500 is one of the most powerful, actually the most powerful account in your environment. And we need to, be able to see that in real time. So again, we can see that.